We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Nextmug temperature-controlled, self-heating coffee mug in Dusty Rose, 14 ounces. If you own this mug, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Nextmug by Nextboom is designed to keep your hot beverages at the perfect temperature wherever you are. With 3 temperature settings, warm at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, hot at 140, and piping at 150, the mug promises to deliver a consistently enjoyable drinking experience for coffee, tea, or any preferred hot beverage. The mug features a long-lasting battery, LED lights to display battery life and real-time temperature, a spill-resistant lid, and a charging coaster. The onboard control button allows users to turn the mug on or off and set the temperature in seconds, all without the need for a smartphone app, Bluetooth connection, or complicated setup. The mug sports an elegant ceramic matte finish over a durable stainless steel body, with a patented ergonomic design for the body and handle, making it comfortable to hold and suitable for home, office, or home office use. The package includes the 14 ounces mug, a docking coaster with a 6-foot cord for charging, and a spill-resistant lid. All Nextmug accessories are fully compatible across the product line. The mug weighs 14 ounces and measures 4.5 by 4.5 by 5 inches, with a maximum temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit and an upper rating of 160 degrees. It is powered by a lithium-ion battery and is manufactured by Nextboom in China. Since its release in July 2022, it has accumulated a strong customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 4,400 ratings, ranking highly in the home and kitchen and tea and espresso beverage warmers categories. Users consistently praise the Nextmug for its simplicity and effectiveness. Many highlight that it is a great gift for nearly any occasion, from birthdays to graduations, and especially for those who appreciate hot drinks but dislike fiddling with technology. The absence of an app is a major selling point, as users do not have to deal with Bluetooth pairing, passwords, or unreliable connections. The mug is described as extremely easy to use, just charge, turn on, and set the temperature. This makes it especially suitable for older users or those who are not tech-savvy, such as parents or grandparents who may not use smartphones. Cleaning the mug is also reported to be straightforward, further enhancing its appeal for daily use. Performance-wise, the Nextmug reliably maintains the chosen temperature for hours, especially when used with the included lid. Users note that the mug does not heat beverages from cold to hot efficiently. It is designed to maintain the temperature of an already hot drink rather than reheat cold coffee or tea. Attempting to heat a cold beverage drains the battery quickly and is not as effective as simply keeping a hot drink at the desired temperature. For those who want to reheat a cold beverage, it is recommended to place the mug on the charging coaster and allow more time for the process. The battery life is generally considered good, with many reporting between 2 and 4 hours of use on a single charge when the lid is used. However, some users wish the battery lasted a bit longer, especially when using the mug away from the base for extended periods. When kept on the charging coaster, the mug can maintain temperature indefinitely, making it ideal for desk or office use. A recurring theme in user feedback is the comparison between the Nextmug and the Ember Mug, another popular temperature-controlled mug. Many users have owned both and report that the Nextmug is more reliable and user-friendly. The Ember Mug's reliance on a smartphone app is seen as a drawback, with frequent complaints about buggy software, unreliable Bluetooth connections, and inconvenient controls. The Ember's on-off switch is located on the bottom of the mug, which many find awkward, whereas the Nextmug's side-mounted button is more accessible and intuitive. The Nextmug's temperature settings are simple and easy to understand, with clear LED indicators for each mode. The spill-resistant lid is another standout feature, helping to maintain temperature longer, reduce evaporation, and minimize the risk of spills. Some users even report that their coffee tastes better in the Nextmug, possibly due to the lid reducing bitterness from evaporation. Durability and build quality are generally praised, with the mug's matte ceramic finish and stainless steel interior providing an elegant and sturdy feel. The ergonomic handle is comfortable for most users, though a few mention that it can be a bit slippery and would benefit from added texture for a more secure grip. The mug is lighter than many comparable ceramic mugs, with most of the weight concentrated in the battery at the base. The charging system uses a barrel plug rather than a USB-C connection, which some users find less convenient. But this is a minor issue, since the base is typically left plugged in at a fixed location. The mug's capacity is 14 ounces, which is larger than some competitors like the Ember's standard 10-ounce mug, though a few users express a desire for an even larger version, such as a 16-ounce option. One area of concern is the design of the charging base, which uses spring-loaded metal contacts, or nibs, to connect with the mug. While the Nextmug's design is reportedly more robust than the Ember's, with a central nib for improved durability, users caution against getting the base wet, as this can lead to corrosion or loss of springiness over time. Some users have experienced failures with the charging base or the mug itself, but report that Nextmug's customer service is excellent, often providing free replacements for defective parts. This level of support is frequently cited as a reason for high customer satisfaction, even when issues arise. In terms of daily usability, the Nextmug excels at keeping drinks at a consistent, enjoyable temperature for long periods, making it ideal for people who tend to forget about their coffee or tea and return to a cold cup. The mug's temperature presets are well calibrated, with the lowest setting suitable for those who prefer a milder warmth, and the higher settings providing a piping hot experience. The mug is safe to use, with no risk of burns from external surfaces, and the spill-resistant lid adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. Some users note that the mug does not retain heat as well without the lid, so it is recommended to use the lid whenever possible for the best performance and battery life. Charging the mug from empty takes a couple of hours, and while the battery life is sufficient for most use cases, heavy users or those who need extended portability may want to invest in an additional charging base for multiple locations, such as home and office. The mug is not intended for use in the microwave or dishwasher, so hand washing is recommended. The lack of app integration is seen as a positive by most users, who appreciate the straightforward, no-nonsense operation. Despite its higher price point, the Nextmug is widely regarded as a worthwhile investment for anyone who values hot beverages and convenience. The mug's elegant design, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a standout choice in the temperature-controlled mug market. It is particularly well-suited for gifting, with many users purchasing it for family members, friends, or colleagues who enjoy coffee or tea. The mug's compatibility with all Nextmug accessories ensures that users can easily replace or upgrade components as needed. Suggestions for improvement from users include increasing the mug's capacity, offering a higher density battery for longer use between charges, speeding up the warming process, adding texture to the handle for a more secure grip, and providing a fully closable lid to further prevent spills and retain heat. While these enhancements would make the mug even better, the current version already meets the needs of most users and delivers on its promises. In summary, the Nextmug temperature-controlled, self-heating coffee mug is a highly recommended product for anyone who wants to enjoy hot drinks at their preferred temperature without the hassle of complicated technology. Its user-friendly design, effective temperature control, and excellent customer support set it apart from competitors. If you are considering a self-heating mug, the Nextmug is a top choice. Don't forget, the link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. If you have this mug, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.